Hello, Candiners. Currently, we are open for Latinos seafarers to join on board as electrotechnical officers in our general cargo vessels under flag of Panama with gross ton 17,000 gross ton. And this is general cargo with excavator, and we need candidate with experiences with cargo cranes and also our self-unloading system. The area will be on Europe and Baltic Sea and North Sea, and the duration of the contract is 4 months contract. The wage scale is 5,700 US dollar per month. If you are a good candidate, the salary we can negotiate. It's no problem. And actually we need for electrotechnical officers with COC 3/6. But if you have experiences or you have COC for electrotechnical rating, it's no problem. You can apply to these vacancies also. Please, you can send your application to our link database. We will send to you the link database in our video description. You can find it in below video. And please put all all requirement like sea service certification and all of your profile in our database so we can check it as soon as possible. Please just subscribe, like, and share this video to your friend. Bye bye.